Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. My name is Raj. I am a freelancer for last 8 years and working in Fiverr as a seller more than 4 years. In this video, I want to share my experience and some good ideas, 21 ways to get your first order in Fiverr. After you created your jigs and profile and everything, the next thing you need to get a order. Your first order is very important because from there only your positive feedbacks from buyers and everything will start on. So you need to spend some extra care on your jigs and presentations and your online work, freelancing works for getting this first order in Fiverr. In this video, I will explain 21 ways to get your first order on Fiverr. The first thing, after you complete your jigs, description, titles and your profile works are completed, then you need to spend your time to create your online portfolio, because your Fiverr jig only not enough to compromise the buyer requirement, because buyer may be a doubt, right? They will give you a job, so they have a doubt you are a talented person or not, your past works, then so we need to satisfy their requirements. So we need to show our skills and everything to the buyer. That's why I suggest you to create a online portfolio, because Fiverr gives a limited text content you can display in the jigs description and everything. So there is some terms and conditions and some more limitations in the jigs presentations. Okay, so if you created your online website, it's maybe your personal blog. Your personal blog is enough. There is some free tools available. One of the best one is Blogger. So once you create your free account here, this is a free site. Blogger is a Google product, so you can create your blog freely here. So see here, my cooking blog, our family adventure. So you can create anything, technology news. If your jig is technology related, you can create a technology blog. So you can, in your blog, you can clearly explain everything. So if any seller contact you, you can just give the URL, so they can understand your skills and everything. The second one, like Blogger, you can use this website also, wix.com. In Wix also you can create your free website, so you don't need to pay anything. So you can create a Wix for your portfolio. It's a blog. You can create your personal blog for your portfolio. Then another one is WordPress. WordPress.org. You can use WordPress also. So your online portfolio is one of the way to easily get new orders. The second way you can get your first order through the buyer request. Where you can see the buyer request in your Fiverr account, you can see the buyer request. One second, I will close this. Okay, in your Fiverr account, you can just see here buyer request. Buyer request is lot of buyers. Fiverr used to buy millions of buyers. They will they will publish the requirements in Fiverr site for the request. I need this job, I need this work, I need this website, I need logo design, like this. So every day you can see the new one for your jig related request. If they have, just send them a send offer. Okay, see here, I am looking for a WordPress assistant, so just click this and you can see his budget is here. His budget is $23, duration 24, offers 84 offers. So similar, whatever service you created in your Fiverr account, you can send the offer to the buying request. This is the best way to get new orders easily. The third thing, giving something for free. It's similar like it's similar like buy one get one free. We know lot of business places, supermarkets and everything. You can use the same thing in Fiverr also. For example, if you offering logo design or video ad, see this jig, I just take this jig for example purpose only. So this seller offering a video ad for a dropshipping product. Imagine you created this jig, so you are a new one, you want new buyers. It means you want your first order. So in the time you can offer them, if you buy my jig, I will give you 2 ads. See, right now he already completed thousands of orders, more than 1000 orders. Now he have 21 orders in queue. Okay, so maybe if you are a free seller, you are a new seller, so buyers don't know your skills and previous experience and previous reviews, anything. So just offer them, I will give you 2 video ads, so the buyer feels comfortably, and because of your one video is bonus, this is the extra for their money, so they will consider to buy your jig. The next thing you need to concentrate in your jig description. Jig description is the key to get new buyers, because jig description is a sales letter, like a sales letter. So you spend more time to create your jig description. In your jig description, just mention the important points. Easily the buyer can understand your skills and your previous works and your ability to complete the order in time. So everything you can clearly mention in the description. This is the first impression to your skills to the buyers. Also, another one thing you can do is include the FAQ section. FAQ, frequently asked questions. As a buyer, I have more doubts to giving a job to a new seller. So you first, everything you clear in the FAQ section. question and answer. You imagine which questions will maybe a buyer will think. So just you mention those questions and give them answers properly. And also you include the main keywords in your FAQ section. So this is an important factor for your Fiverr career. See here, I will show you some examples. See, that same jig, you can see the FAQ. How long do I have wait for my video? So heating, we make sure we deliver in less than 12 hours. So you can start your campaigns right now. Do I need to send my product to you? No, you don't need. So he give all the important questions and the answers. So the FAQ section is very important in your description. If you're not already, just add the FAQ section in your jig. The next point, using video for your jig instead of using default jig photos. We already know the video is a very powerful compared to the text content, because it's a human psychology. Because in video we do a less work, but in text we need to do some work, just a little bit different. It's a human psychology. So people are like to see the videos instead of reading text content. In Fiverr itself, a jig with video selling more. If you use a image, photos in the jig, that's the conversion rate is lower than video included jig. I will show you some example here. Just we take the short video ads. Okay, so this is the video. So almost, because the jig is a video ad, I will show you some. So the video ad, so almost all the sellers are putting the video. See here, so this seller do the same job. Okay, I will create a promotional video or explanatory video in 24 hours. See, he receiving 58 orders only till now. He also a level 2 seller. See this, I will create someone. Okay, she have video. See, I will create a video commercial for your business in 24 hours. She also a level 2 seller. He completed 93 orders and 1 order in queue. So you understand the difference, I think. So if you're not already a video in your jig, just create a small video about your skills and what you will do for your buyer in this jig, and you explain everything in this video. So it works very good. It works very well, and you can easily get new orders. Next, next one is, we not only create only one jig, you can create multiple jigs. So you can create multiple jig means related jigs you can create. I not mean the same jig, same service, but you can create the multiple jigs for the related service. For example, if you want to do a blog writing, you can create another one jig for content writing, proofreading, text ad creation. So similar like that. So these are the related jigs. We will see this point in some example jigs. Okay, let me see this seller. Just I click here. See, he almost doing a video ads, right? So first jig, video commercial, then second one, video digital menu. It's also similar like that, similar like a video ad. So this is the animation. Titles with I have some animations. I have some promo opener. Titles for and I have some presentation. So he is classified his service in multiple jigs. This is called related jigs. If you do related jigs, you can easily get orders. The next point, offer 24 hours turnaround time. People are want to get the completed job in very less time. They don't care about the work pressure and how complicated that work. They never think about that, but they want to get the work very quickly as possible. So if you give a promise to deliver the work within 24 hours, that's a higher chances to get more orders. In initial stage, it's very possible, because in initial stage you don't have any more orders, because you are waiting for your order. So in the time you can offer 24 hours delivery time. So if you do this promise to your buyers, you can easily get new orders. Second one, the next one, social medias. Using social media, particularly using Instagram, is best way to get new orders to your Fiverr jig. Advertising on Instagram is a paid promotion. If you want to get more orders very quickly and constantly, so you can select Instagram ads. This is very powerful, but I am not suggest Instagram ads for a new beginners. If you already experienced freelancer or experienced seller but new to Fiverr, you can try Instagram ads. Because Instagram ads can reach millions of users for your skills. If you are a logo designer, or if you are a video animator, or anything, you can advertise in Instagram. Instagram offering this type of ads: stories ads, photo ads, video ads, carousel ads. Carousel means a slideshow. It's like a slideshow. This ad. So this type of ad, collection ads. You have multiple options to advertise your business in Instagram. If you want to more orders in very quick time, you can try Instagram ads. But you are a beginner, you just ignore this option. Next way. Quora marketing. We already know Quora is a very best questions and answers site used by millions of people. So Quora is the best free source you can get new buyers. See, this is the technology side. So for example, you are a logo design, just or just a search. Okay. So here you can see the multiple questions. So what is good logo design? So here you can see the answers. See, you can answer. So just reply these questions and with your Fiverr jig link. So this is a free promotional method. You can get new orders to your Fiverr jig. The next one, next thing you need to consider, try to be online always in Fiverr. You can use desktop or mobile app because buyers want quick replies from the sellers. They prefer who online most of the time in the Fiverr because they want the quick deliveries and quick replies from sellers. Also the another one I want to show you here, just blog writing. I search the sellers for blog writers. I have multiple options to filter out. Just see here, I can filter out only for online sellers. So if you are online most of the time, you have high probability to get new orders. Next, you can use Facebook groups. We already know Facebook is the best social media site. From Facebook groups, we can easily promote our jigs to the general. So we can receive new orders easily from Facebook groups. Next one, similar like Facebook, you can use LinkedIn groups. Facebook is a common people group, but LinkedIn is a completely professional group. It's a business network. From LinkedIn, you can target your customers, target your buyers. It may be a web design or blog writing or logo design or any service you can promote through LinkedIn. You can get new orders easily from LinkedIn groups. I not suggest to spam through the messages, but you can communicate with your group members in meaningful way, not publishing lot of messages. That's not useful actually. Next thing, you can consider using Twitter. From Twitter, you can promote your jigs by a small description and the keywords in the form of hashtags. Hashtags are very powerful. It works anytime. So you can use Twitter for your Fiverr jigs. You can easily get new orders. The next one is a Fiverr forum. Fiverr forum is not only for sellers and buyers. You can promote your services from there also, because sellers can verify and the buyers can verify the sellers participation in the Fiverr and the experience and more important things. They can know your expertise through your replies. So you can use the Fiverr forum to promote your jigs. Next, you can using paid ads. You can use Facebook ads, Google ads, Quora ads. If you are a beginner, I am not suggested to use Facebook or Google ads, but Quora ads are best to use. You can spend little money to get more conversions from there. Next, you can use you need to fix the jig price lower than your competitors. Your service price is an important factor to affect your order counts. So in initial stage, fix the price very low. After getting new orders, you can increase your price gradually. Low priced jigs and higher quality in delivery is very important in Fiverr. Next one, you can use YouTube. YouTube is a free video source. You can easily broadcast your skills and expertise and your services through YouTube. Similar like YouTube, you can use Pinterest. Pinterest is an interesting site. You can promote your portfolio through Pinterest. It works very good. You can get new orders easily from Pinterest. Next, check out your jig competitors, because from there you can understand some important updates you need to do in your jigs, so you can make it and update your jig as per your competitors what they already offer. You can modify the pricing and the services and the bonuses, so everything you can modify as per your competitor. Next one, you can take several courses and certifications in Fiverr. In Fiverr, you can learn and get the online tests. If you get those online tests, it will reflect in your Fiverr profile. So it helps buyers can easily identify the skillful seller. So using Fiverr courses is very useful to getting new orders. Fiverr courses and certifications is very useful. The last one, if you want to get more orders in short time, I suggest you use this service, What Runs Where. Use the power of digital ad intelligence through What Runs Where. You can understand the advertisements which platform the advertisers are doing right now. So you can spend your money in the right ad platform through What Runs Where. But it's not for free. I am not suggest this option for the beginners, but this way is very useful and you can get more orders to your Fiverr jig. I hope this video is helpful to you. See you on next video. Thank you again. Bye.